got ketchup on his face?
Oh, Sam's recording because mine appears to be off. God damn it. Yeah, mine's turned itself off. Great.
Turn it back on.
I know. Yep, I missed that. Yeah. Where is it? Oh. Where is it?
That wasn't a Black Hawk, was it? Is that your character that's on the ground next to mine?
God damn it.
You're dead already.
You haven't added each other yet, so you can't know your character.
Your character's died already. He's right there. And I'm looting him apparently.
I don't know if we were allowed to add yet. Well, I did it for you with your first move. Yeah, you go have to record, Sam. I was fucking up.
Spooky house over here.
Wait, why is this so rare? Go voting. Q target item.
Oh, I didn't even pick that up. No. Summoning the devil. Okay.
Is it me or is the camera quite close?
I've got screenshots. Oh, a box.
Isn't it?
A bigger gun.
Anything? Do we got a flashlight? Oh, it lightens up as you're walking.
What the heck?
Oh,
Just went into a void.
Ammo. This is bunking. Oh, those guys. Move back. See what's in this box. Oh, there.
Just push the other way.
What was the button to open that thing?
Well, it said tab to equip.
Really?
Escape in the backpack. Hey, there's
Oh, the
Vin Diesel.
backpack, okay. Oh, I'm wearing the...
There's 2 Vin Diesels over there.
Should we kill these guys? Hey, I just had a thing saying sync shot. Was that gonna like tag him for you?
I don't need to sink a shot.
In them. You take right. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
We got company. Walker.
Oh, he's dead.
Sorry, Weaver.
Hey, is that guy? The Punisher.
Walker,
It's a dangerous area.
what the hell are you doing?
Enemy level.
I don't want. Can I tell the tutorials off?
Yeah, I don't really want to eat it. Investigate crash site. To the right.
Can you make
You
it
kill
down
it?
there? Can you make it down there?
Oh, no, don't want to try.
Hey, come back.
No. Do we have a parachute like that other way? Where's just running and gadding?
It's the start of the game. It'll be easy.
Holy shit. That's weird.
Quite a lot of
Check
it.
that out. Come along. Light him up.
DMR.
Mayday. Mayday. This is Ghost Lead. Does anyone read?
You found a different
555,
gun.
Ghost Lead.
Yeah.
Who is this?
A friend. I got the radio from a ghost.
This ghost still breathing?
Ghost Lead, you can chase the white rabbit.
Or run
the
with
hell are
the
we
Red
talking
Queen? Please sit, Rabbit.
That can wait. Your man's getting medical
This is
treatment.
too many code words.
Follow the trail behind the ancient ruins. Your destination is in the mountains between two waterfalls.
Understood. Ghost Lead out.
Where is
It's
ancient
Tomb-
ruins?
it's Tomb Raider.
A code word as well.
This can turn into Tomb Raider halfway through.
What the hell?
What's this shit? There's a mailbag there. Get in
We're
that
killing
car and
this-
run him down.
Alright. Yeah, okay. Have a blur like that. Distance blur.
Where they at? Get him.
Get him. I got a minigun on this. Knock him down.
Hey, he survived it.
Do I got headlights? That's still the minigun.
Oh, there you go. Oh, I can just change to whatever.
Nice.
Okay, I'm trying to just...
Get him. I'm checking this bar. It's me. What's
Let's go!
now we gotta go inside there for some reason.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Yeah. Might be fine.
Better not blow it.
Oh, it's blown up! We're trapped.
I thought that was like a metal door. It's just like a blanket.
Stop right there! Who are you?
I was invited. Who the hell are you?
Another one. You can always turn around and go back down the mountain.
Things are a little tense, you know? Just watch how you handle that weapon. We don't allow shooting in Erewhon.
That's not the gun I was holding.
And what's everyone?
Is your
Cave,
cutscene your
That's
character
what we call it.
or mine?
In mine.
Get in.